Here we have a 2018 68 plate BMW 530 EM Sport. This car does come with a full BMW warranty until October 2021 as well. Now, starting with the wheels, we have four 19-inch alloy wheels in perfect condition, as you can see just here. To the front, we've got the black kidney grille as well as LED lights. This vehicle does also come with the M Performance styling kit. It includes this front splitter just here, as well as some other bits, as you'll soon see. We've then got the second alloy wheel here, again in perfect condition. Taking a step back, you'll notice we've got a charging port just there, as this vehicle is a hybrid, so you will get ultra low running costs when driving this about. We've then got the privacy glass with black trim around the windows, shark fin antenna just up there as well. Here's another look at the third alloy wheel. We've then got the extended side skirt just here, finished in black, as well as the black spoiler lip and rear diffuser just down there as well. The vehicle does come with front and rear parking sensors, as well as a advanced eye dash cam in both the front and rear, as you can just see there, which is from BMW themselves. Very nice touch. Now, taking a step back, you'll notice the vehicle is free from any major marks, dents or scratches. And here's a look at the last alloy wheel. Now, if we step inside, in the rear we have got the full leather interior. We've got a fold down armrest with two good sized cup holders just there. We've then got ISO fixed points, 12 volt connectivity in the middle with some storage behind the front seats, and on the doors here we've got the leather trim, electric windows and some more storage. Now, stepping into the front, we do have full leather again. I'll step inside. Got the electric windows with electric wing mirrors, lock and unlock button with the brushed metal handle and ambient lighting hidden just under here. Then got the auto lights just down there. We'll now start the car up. Very quiet with it being a hybrid. Now, the vehicle has covered just over 15,300 miles and is free from any lights on the dash, any warning lights on the dashboard. We have got a small orange exclamation mark just there, but as I'll show you now, that is purely due to low fuel. Now, we do have a multifunctional steering wheel with cruise control, speed limiter, phone controls, volume controls and voice controls, as well as the paddle shifters for taking manual control. We've then got auto wipers just here. Now, coming into the middle, we've got our infotainment screen just here. So we've got navigation, different forms of media connectivity, including CD, DVD, USB, and Bluetooth, as well as DAB radio. We've also got phone connectivity. And if we go into the menu just here, into my vehicle, vehicle settings, lights, we do also have ambient lighting in this car with a huge variety of different colours. Really nice touch and looks incredible when it's dark. Now, if you put the vehicle into reverse, you'll see we do have both front and rear parking sensors. Back into maps.
Navigation is not active.
And we've then got Eco Pro, Comfort and Sports. So these are different driving modes to suit however you want to drive. And if you move down, we've then got the stereo controls as well as dual climate zone controls with heated seats for both front passengers as well as air conditioning. Now, here's the front dash cam, the advanced eye. Then down here we've got some storage underneath here with two good sized cup holders. We've got our gear stick just here, as well as a button for traction control, our mode select, an e-drive button and a button for the parking sensors. We've then got an electric handbrake and auto hold, as well as a control wheel for the infotainment system. We've then got a leather armrest, which also doubles up as storage underneath. And here's another look at those leather seats. So the vehicle is ready to drive away with free next day nationwide contactless delivery, competitive low finance, fresh service, and is HPI clear. Thank you for watching. Video test drive of a 2018 BMW 530e M Sport. The purpose of this video today is to demonstrate that the vehicle drives exactly how you would expect it to. For example, now I'm not having to wrestle with the steering wheel to keep it in a straight line. I'll also talk through some of the vehicle's features and show you that they work exactly how they should, starting off with cruise control. To activate, I'll simply press cruise control and flick up, and we're now away, currently cruising at 60 miles an hour. To deactivate, I'll simply press this button and we're back to normal control. We've then got our pedal shifters just here. So I'm currently in 7th gear, down into 6th, down into 5th, back up to 6th and back into 7th. And as you can tell from my body movements and the surroundings outside, completely seamless transitions, no jerky movements, no awkward noises, no knocks, no bangs, working exactly how it should. Now I'm just going to slow down for this roundabout where I'll be taking a left turn as if you were here with us today. This is an incredibly comfortable car to be in. It is a hybrid as well, so it's quite quiet in here. We do have the occasional electric control at slow speeds, and we've got these gorgeous leather heated seats as well. Could happily do 200, 300, 400 miles in here and get out feeling fresh. We've also got the digital dash just here, which corresponds with the driving modes. Very nice feature, really pleasant to look at. And we've got the navigation just here as well. Now at RS Car Sales, we have been doing deliveries for the last 3 to 4 years, as well as free next day nationwide contactless deliveries for the past year and a half. So although the COVID-19 situation has had a huge effect on many businesses and still is doing to this day, we feel like we're quite well prepared. So we have adjusted our deliveries ever so slightly to make them contactless. And what this means is we'll sanitize our hands, we'll sanitize the keys, and we'll do an extra thorough clean of the vehicle before handing it over to yourself. This is basically just to ensure both your own safety and ours. Now, we are also a 5-star dealership. If you look online, you'll see we've got way over 300 5-star reviews on Google and Auto Trader alone, as well as many others on other sites like Car Gurus. So if you look online and check out these reviews, you will see that our customers really do reiterate the fact that we are a dealership that cares. We really do want you to have such a pleasant buying experience from ourselves that you would recommend us to your friends, to your family, and even come back to us in the future for your next vehicle purchase. Now I'm just going to take a right turn into the industrial park where I'll perform an emergency brake in 3, 2, 1. There we go. Now, very sharp brakes, as you can tell. Put the vehicle into reverse. We've got the front and rear sensors. It worked exactly how it should. Now, this is where you'd usually be extremely happy with the vehicle. You'd want to come to the office and see what kind of deal you could work out. Obviously, that isn't possible at the moment due to the COVID-19 situation. However, feel free to get in touch. Part exchanges are welcome. Just let us know the make, model and condition of the vehicle. And if there is anything we have missed in either the online pictures, the video walk around, or this driving test drive, then do get in touch. We'll be more than happy to do a video FaceTime with you, walk around the car, show you any specific components, answer any specific questions, and really just show you what the vehicle has to offer. Another point, we do have the BMW Advanced Eye camera just there, which has been recording this whole journey as well. Very nice feature there. But that's all from me for now. Thank you for watching.